Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my weekly Anfield Road Expansion update. I don't think I've been here for 2 weeks. Reason being is, as people who watch the channel regular know, that I'm in university. My final submission date for semester 1 was last Friday, so I've been really cracking on my university work, if I'm being honest. So I've had to put YouTube on the back burner for the time being, and to go with that, I've been full of flu, which you can probably hear in my voice. I'm still not over it. It's wiped the floor with me, and with having to get me working for uni, well, it really hasn't helped. So I'm back out. I'm doing what I can. First time I've been out in the bad weather as well, since it started snowing and being really cold and frosty. So yeah, let's have a look in the park. There's me down. Where am I? Yeah, there's me down there. So yeah, Stanley Park's looking, yeah, let's have a scan around. Looking really frosty, really crunchy underfoot. Okay. So let's get back to the ground now. So I'm not going to address any comments from the last video. I'm going to have a fly around and see what's been happening and that's new. From the ground, it doesn't look like a lot, so I'm going to have a look from the air to see anything new. Obviously there's something on the ground there. It looks like some sort of I don't know what it is. Really sorry about this, guys, but yeah, I'll try and battle through this. So we'll get over and have a closer look. So it's looks like some sort of span for this side, doesn't it? Because that one on the far side there as well, that's still down on the ground there. And just there. Oh, yeah, don't know what's going on. Doesn't seem to be a hell of a lot going on the roof, but this corner section's being joined up more. So it looks like there's loads of work being going on, like inside, if you like. Make sure I'm above that crane, a little bit higher, and then I'll drop down and have a look inside the standing. Oh, I can see the top of the crane, so that means I'm above it. A lot more terracing gone in there than the concrete stuff. Yeah, so the back edge of the corner, of the stand is I might get a better view from here. Yeah, it's that little back edge corner there. That's new. Yeah, you can see that from the grounds. Let's have a look down on the pitch if there's anything going on. Not a lot. Got a lot of these grow lamps though. Yeah. Yeah, roofing wise, there hasn't been a lot going on there either, has there? I'll say them spans were joined up when I last come. Even filmed some getting joined up tonight at some point. That's a good look at the roof there. So I'll get around this side now. Yeah, this flu's really like the floor of me, unfortunately. I couldn't come at a worse time. Everyone's trying to get working for uni. But it's all landed in now. I've got my I get my feed back on the 21st of December, so I felt as though I rushed it, to be fair. I struggled on one assignment, which was I just couldn't come up with an idea for it. The assignment was called How We Are, and it can be how we are as people or how we are. I think I've mentioned this before, you know, just how we are as, you know, in any walk of life, if you get me, whatever job you do. So say you're like there's a guy trimming hedges here, how we are as hedge trimmers, you know what I mean? It's just trying to photograph it. And I struggled a bit with it. I ended up covering grassroots football in the end on how we are, so I'll just see how that was received. I'll just see how it got received. And if it wasn't good enough, I'll take it on the chin. So that's my first semester out the way. So yeah, got the second semester coming. I think we've only got one major assignment. Let's get a little bit higher and I'll have a pan down and fly across. Well, it's anything in my way, not really. A little bit higher because I can zoom in anyway. Yeah, so just see how it goes with my feedback on the 21st. I just need to get back out and start recording again now. I've missed it, from being fair. Well, got to do my usual updates on the grounds, but also coming in the new year I want to take it a little bit more serious and do other stuff. So I've got loads of ideas, as I keep saying, so I'm going to put them into practice in the new year. And there we go, with a nice top down view there of everything. Have a look at the Shankly Gate while I'm over here, eh? So that's going to be a pedestrianised zone, so obviously when the ground's letting out, when a new stand's built, it's going to empty into that car park area of the Kenzaga East stand where it didn't usually empty out. It used to just empty out straight onto Anfield Roads. So they're taking the walls out. They're leaving the gates there, obviously. They're taking the walls out and they're putting in bollards so people can just filter through easier rather than a bottleneck through the gate, which makes sense. Gets people away from the grounds quicker. Oh yeah, that's all that is. With the gates aren't getting moved at all by the looks of it. It's just to reduce congestion in the grounds. Sorry, outside the grounds. Let me come down and have a look through there. So also another thing is, it's, you know, it's Christmas now. Let me back up a touch. Yeah, it's Christmas, so the workers are going to be going on their Christmas break soon, so there's not going to be a lot to report on regarding the build. Let's have a good look in there, swing it round a touch. So yeah, once they go away, there's not going to be any building going on, so yeah, I've now got myself a job at Liverpool inside the grounds. I wanted the perspective as from an employee at Liverpool, so I've got myself a job as a steward in there. It's nothing sinister. It's nothing. It's you know, I wouldn't be putting it on here. Yeah, I'm just working in the grounds. I'll be working in the cop as a steward. So yeah, see how that goes. Get the perspective from inside, if you like. From the inside looking out rather than the outside looking in. I did start last month, but I want to get a few games that way, yeah, to see if it was for me or not. And you know what? It's all right. It's not too bad. I suppose the cold nights aren't going to be nice, but yeah, it'll be all right. So I'll give some updates from my perspective as a steward as well, and what that entails on the channel. So yeah, little something different. Now we have been told that we can't post on social media, so I can't take videos, if you like, and post on social media. They don't want that to happen, so we'll respect that. Because apparently you have to leave immediately if that happens. So yeah, but just to let the people know, if you want to work with me, then you know I'm more than happy to work with you. Okay, so guys, I'm going to leave it there now. There wasn't much to talk about. I just wanted to let people know what I've been up to the last, I don't know, I can't remember the last time I posted a video. I'm not sure, it's about 2 weeks ago, where I've been and why I've been missing. But I'm back now. I'm on the mend, on my work submitted till the new year now for uni. I'll let you know how my feedback goes, and yeah, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more videos coming. Speak to you all soon, and look after yourselves.